Hey there, my amazing people. It's Joyce here, and I hope you're living your life to the fullest and having fun. Today, I am going to do a video on the tips I learned from Steph Perez about email marketing during my 15 days online business builder challenge of Legendary Marketer. Steph Perez is one of the most successful affiliates out there, and in the courses of Legendary Marketer, she guides us on how we can be successful as affiliate marketers. And during the 15 days of the Online Business Builder Challenge, she comes and gives us many great tips about the use of copywriting in email marketing. So if one of your marketing strategies has email marketing and you have questions or confusions, then stay with me because you're in for a lot of massive and amazing information. So let's begin. Most of the network marketers out there all make use of funnels in which the information of the traffic that are related to the niche are captured. This means that these people who opted in or interested in the contents and products the entrepreneur is selling or promoting. This strategy is used through ads, blogs, and you will even see that in the description box. I capture emails of my traffic. Guys, if you don't have a funnel, make sure you have one. And the best funnel provider is ClickFunnels. Do check them out in the description box below. Yes, so we capture the contact information of the traffic so we can contact them via emails later on and sell them products. And this strategy is called email marketing. Why is this powerful? My friend, as a network marketer, you need to build your list because this list will bring cash. Because instead of paying for ads to bring in sales, you can just send them an email over and for an offer or about an offer you're promoting to the list and earn money. Now, I just made it sound very simple and very, very easy, but actually it's not that simple. If you really want to make good and a lot of money, you need to learn how to write really good emails, and that will make people on your list buy from you. So writing emails that convert is really, really important. And for that, we need 4 primary steps. Yes, 4 primary steps. So number 1, your emails should get delivered. There is no point in writing an amazing email if it's not getting delivered. Number 2, your emails must be seen. After delivery, guys, it's really important for it to be seen by your leads in your mailing list. And for that, they need to notice your email. Number 3, your emails must get read. Your emails can be very amazing and contain everything someone needs. But if it is not being read, what's the point? Number 4, the links inside the email should get clicked. These links inside the email are what will direct them to our affiliate offer or our own offer and allow us to make money when they will click on them. Next is that we need to know how the emails should be presented and what are the parts that will attract the attention of the people reading them. For that, guys, we need to know the anatomy of a particular email that we will write. You might already know it, but for an email that abides by the 4 steps that I've just described should contain 5 very important parts. First is the subject line. This is what actually appears when someone looks at the email before opening. A subject should be able to create a very good impression and connection for the reader to click on the mail and to actually open the mail while scrolling down their inbox. Second is the opening sentence. Now that your subject line got the attention of the viewer, the opening sentence are the words that are going to give purpose to your entire email by keeping the attention of the viewer and reading the entire email. Third is the story. This is the body of the email. You need to describe what you really want the viewer to read. This story part, guys, get the viewer interested. So it's really, really important. Fourth is the lesson learned. The motive behind this is to make sure the viewer understands the lesson behind the story that you just narrated. An example is what should have been done instead of what was done. The lesson that you're trying to teach should connect and relate to the same events of the viewers. The fifth is the call to action. This is the part where you tell the readers to take action if they are interested. This is where you ask them to click on your links, and from there on, the company or person they were referred to will do the rest to secure the sale. So once you understand the 4 primary steps that an email should do and the anatomy of an email, the next tip is to know the different types of emails that you can send to secure the commissions. There are 6 hot emails of different styles that always pique the interest of any readers. Of course, all these 6 emails follow the 2 first steps that I just gave you. That is, the first one is to know the 4 steps that an email should follow, and the second is the anatomy of an email. So let's have a look at the 6 hot styles of the emails. The first email is a story email. You can start with telling how you were before and how you are feeling now. Mention the experiences and the results you got. The second type of email is the checklist or tip emails. This style of email, guys, is mostly sent when you introduce your mailing list to a product and you want them to know that this product is actually going to bring a change in their lives. And to get the interest on the product, you give them some tips like what they could stop doing that is probably causing them to harm their business or themselves. Here, you are actually not telling them what to do, but what not to do, because you really want them to find out what they should do through the product. The third type is the question and answer email. Sometimes people tend to have questions regarding a product. So you ask them, but you ask them in such a way that you are providing a yes and value to the product. An example can be, can I really use this if I'm not experienced? And the answer should be yes. Even if you do not have the tech skills, you can, and you go on. Okay? The fourth type of email is the controversy email. So you get their attention by putting a controversial subject. You follow with what you mentioned by providing flaws. Then you present the product or someone that you want your readers to believe, and this will lead them to click on your links. The fifth type is a popular reference email. So you build your connection with your readers by modeling quotes from a book, a movie, or even a music. You grab a phrase, a catchy phrase, and then you elaborate on it in order to be connected with the readers. And what's amazing that you won't believe it, but it really turns out that most of the people get a feeling that you really think like them and you're on the same boat as them or have experienced something similar to them. This gives them a feel of being close as you have the similar taste, and they will even click on the links when you tell them to take action. The sixth and last type of email is curiosity. You develop questions after questions in the mind of the reader. This type of mail can make a person think of something. But actually, while reading it, the reader will find it that it is something different. But enjoy the way you are expressing it. This curiosity will only make them laugh, but to also make them have some fun while reading. So if you're able to master these 6 styles of emails, you will be able to make the reader not feel like you are urging them to make a sale, but rather they will feel like you guys are building a sort of deep connection of trust and fun. And trust me, this will increase your chance to actually make sales and earn money from your list. So guys, the tips that were given were the styles and the anatomy of your emails that need to be delivered, seen, read, and clicked. So guys, I really hope that I was able to help you with any questions or confusions that you might have about using copywriting on email marketing. And I hope you really found value with what you learned. If so, please do leave a comment and let me know about it. And don't forget to like as well as subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you really don't miss any of my valuable content that I will be sharing. Be amazing, keep rocking. See you in the next video. Bye bye.